Now then, we're back again, because we've got a bit of sun. So it's time for a bit of sun's out, guns out, pizza's in. Oop, that means we're reviewing a pizza oven. Now we're out of that perpetual rainy period, it's time to get busy on our van conversion and testing out items for inclusion in that dream. So today we'll be unboxing and testing this Vevor pizza oven from Vivar. It's a pizza oven. We're going to unbox it. Let's unbox. There's the box. And we've got a chimney, pizza paddle, heat shield or something. Pellet box, that's what pellets go in. Gloves for your mitts, handles for handling, door, knock knock, pizza time, chimney, hat, bag, and there's the body. And he's off. Oh no, he's back. Bag of bolts. No, not him, no really, look, he's got a bag of bolts there. And there's the pizza stone. Anything else in there? He's rubbing his hands, that means no. That's your lot. Now then, let's assemble like Avengers. He's popping chimney in. Give it a good screwing and look at that. Fred Dibner would be proud. Spread them legs, put it down. Looking good. Make sure we peel all the plastic off. We want melted cheese on his pizzas, not melted plastic. Off in one, beautiful. Let's have another one. Oh. Go on, try again. Oh, forget it. Chimney cover there. Needs 2 bolts in its neck like Frankenstein. It's alive! That's heat shield that needs to be bolted inside the body between the flames and the pizza. Yeah, in there. Bolt the handle that goes on top there, on top. Bolt the handle on the front door, and then there's your thermometer there. In case you were wondering. Pellet box goes in back with the handle bolted on. There we go, that's it. That's where the pellets go. Yeah, that's it. All ready to go in the blink of an eye, and looking easy on it. On the eye, I mean, easy on the. It looks good, doesn't it? Good enough to eat, but we're not that desperate yet. Let's have some pizza. Get the old cat litter out. Hey, careful with that knife, you. Pellet box. Whoa, POV shot. It's like a Van Damme film, this. So the idea is to half fill the pellet box and then keep it topped up to that to keep the temperature up. That's the idea anyway. Twizzlers there from Do It All. Odorless. Yeah, stay away from the knife. Use your hands so I'll rip it off. Get your old extra long lighter out. Spark it up. And pop it in. Shut the front door and wait. It should take about 15 minutes to preheat to temperature. Smoking nicely there. There's a sign for the dummies. Now then, the food. We have an allergy sufferer, so the first pizza in is flatbread with a homemade sauce and some vegan cheese. Them flames are licking up the roof now and it's looking hot. sling it on, shut it up. A minute on one side, then pull it out, spin it right round, another minute on the other and wang it out. There we go. It does look a bit undercooked, but that's just because it's funny cheese, not real cheese, vegan cheese. I have been informed that despite it not being real cheese, it's still blooming delicious. Next up, a shop bought pizza from Asda. Now then, the eagle-eyed of you may have noticed that the temperature's dropped, and that the pellet box wasn't filled to the suggested halfway mark at the beginning by this dummy. So this one took a little longer but still came out lovely. Now you'd think the operator might have thought to check the pellet box before throwing another pizza in, not this gadget. Here's a frozen Dr. Oetker going in. And now the dopes decided to check the pellets. They were refilled and then a sudden burst of heat hit. As you can see here, but again I was told that every pizza was delicious. What did we think of the Vevor Pizza Oven? Can't fault it. It came well packaged, was easy to assemble and simple to use, despite this stomach getting it wrong. So overall it's pretty good. But hopefully we've given you some tips here that'll get all your pizzas cooked evenly. The only drawback we'd say is that it is rather large, so maybe not suitable for full-time van life, but fantastic for campsites or weekend warriors or just your average everyday backyard barbecue type situation. So that's about it for today. We are Van Life UK, a complete survivor's guide. If you liked, please subscribe.